It's early morning and I am working on weeding out the grass from the garlic, and I will be cutting off the scapes. So let's see, here's a nice one right here. I'll cut that off at, there we are, the leaf right here, just above that spot. And then I'm going to try to make something with it. I've always wanted to try making a garlic scape pesto. So I'm going to try to find a good recipe for that. I think that'll be super tasty. After I get all the grass out, I'm going to put some straw mulch down as well. So it's 8:56 in the morning and I am sweating buckets already. I am so glad that I have finished this little job up. But my daughter just brought me a smoothie, strawberry mango, and it is so cool and refreshing. What a lovely child. Well, the smoothie that Alice brought me gave me the energy to finish off this whole row with mulch. So I got all these onions mulched and the garlic. And then, of course, I had a little bit left to that bale, so I had to put it somewhere. And I thought I'd start working on the perennial bed that's beside, and noticed this beautiful little meadow rue starting to bloom. Such a delicate little flower. So here is the completed garlic scape pesto. I added in some olive oil, salt, and Parmesan cheese. Also some basil that was starting to go to flower. I pinched off the tops and put that in. And I'm quite impressed with it. It's very tasty. I think it would go nicely on top of any kind of meat, or like eggplant Parmesan or something like that. You could do so many different things with this. I'll definitely make this again. So I'm going to go find Phil. I've made some of the garlic pesto and I put it on some crackers, and I'm going to see what he thinks. So this is the garlic scape pesto.
Oh, okay. Smells good. Wow. Wow. Isn't that nice?
Oh, here's Kiwi having a nap in the grass. Morning, Kiwi. How are you doing today? So here we are. This is the brick outhouse that was on the property when we arrived. It seems probably older than the house. Probably was part of the original old farmhouse. They had replaced that farmhouse with the bungalow that we have now with the same brick. But getting ready to see what we need to do to clean it up and get it usable, right, Phil?
Yeah, I could do a little reno on this. They've plastered and lapped. They've plastered on the brick, and it's cracked, and it's actually kind of cool looking here. But the ceiling, there's still the lath on there, and I think we could just, shore up that, put some new sticks in there, and either plaster right on that, or we could put a plasterboard right up and screw it to the pre-existing stuff and not worry about a demo. I don't necessarily think we need to do a huge demo.
Yeah.
The floor is gone, but it's all right out here, leaning up, as I took it out when we first arrived.
Oh, okay.
And this is the old tongue and groove flooring that was in here.
Is it looking
And
not too bad a shape.
It's not bad, but it's not great either. You could put it down as a base, but I think it's not really necessary to repurpose that. I think it would be way easier to just remove the seating, remove the stuff on the floor.
Yes, as you see, it was a double outhouse. You and your partner could go at the same time.
Or your brother,
your brother. You know, if everybody had to go, there was less wait time. But yeah, the floor is pretty nasty.
Yeah.
But I really like the plaster walls, actually. I think they look quite cool in their color and
yeah,
everything.
It's really neat.
Yeah.
We've had some friends living in here.
Yeah, there's some evidence of mice and things.
But yeah.
So if we go around behind.
Let's go check out just watch the stones.
There is a clematis there.
Yeah, there's a board on here, and there's a.
So it looks like there was a trap there that they had to be able to take the composting bin out.
Yep.
So we'll have to fix that, and then I think it probably needs a vent. Would you say, Phil?
Yeah,
perhaps
I think
do some kind of a vent off the side.
I think so. I think you could run a pipe out here and have the odor just vent out, like you would, your bathroom vent out the house, out the roof, whatever. You could do it from the inside. You could do it on the outside. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think it'd be best to have it just come out the back, and I don't think it's not like you have running water here. We're not going to have running water. It'd be nice to have a little wash station inside there.
Right.
I don't know how we'll
have to
see what we have.
Figure that one out, and it looks like we're missing some shingles.
Yeah, I
replaced
replaced the shingles, and then this wind that comes through here.
Yeah, this is an open field right beside us. This is the far edge of the property, so we've got a lot of tall trees in here. It's a nice shady area, but it's super windy. Just wind comes right howling through here.
Yeah, we could replace a little bit of the soffit and the fascia on here. They put some steel up there, and they put a deck board or a siding up for that other side for fascia. I don't know.
The thought was at one point as well to maybe catch some rainwater off this roof.
Yeah.
I don't know. That might be something for the future.
Yeah, that'd be kind of fun to have an area that you caught the rainwater, and that was the water that you maybe just filtered through into here for a hand washing station.
Right.
I don't know. We'll see what we come up with.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But it's a beautiful little building.
Yeah, I'm excited about this project.